Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. Let's remember what we finished at session 2. We was talking about approximation, and we have here some steps to finish our approximation. First, you have to find your number, which place value we will make approximation to. So I have first to find my number, then look right, next door, remember, and concentrate here. I have to look right, not left. So you will look right, the next door. If you found at next door 4 or less, just ignore. 5 or more, add 1 more. Here in this one, in this number 482, I have to make rounding to the nearest 10. Rounding to the nearest 10. So I will search the place value of the tens. I have here number 8 in the tens place. And the next step, I have to look right. So I will move here to look right. Next door, which is number 2. Number 2, 4 or less, it's less than 4. So I have to ignore this and I will write number 8 as it is and put 0 for the next door. The same here if I have approximation to the nearest 100. Now you will stand in the 100 place, find your number, stand in the 100 place first. I have here 3 in the 100 place. And then when you look right, you will find number 4. We said 4 or less, ignore. So I will write number 3 as it is and 0 for the next doors. Another approximation we talked about, it was the decimal for the decimal numbers. First, let's remember the decimal chart here. I have here first for the number, this is the whole number, and this is the decimal number. This part's for the whole number, and this part's for the decimal number. For the whole number, I have, as we know, ones, then tens, hundreds, and thousands. For the decimal number, I will check the decimal point first. This is the decimal point. Next to the decimal point, you can find here tenths with th at the end, tenths, and then hundredths, and then thousandths. So concentrate in the approximation. You will make approximation to the nearest hundreds or hundredths, like this one, tens or tenths, like this one. Maybe you can read it, you can find it in the question with tenth or 1/10 as we said. Here in this examples, we need to make approximation to the nearest hundreds, okay? 4.632, I will search first. We need to find your number. So the hundreds place, this one, we said that next to the decimal number, tenth, then hundredths. So this is the hundredths place here, number 3. Look right to the next door. The next door here is 2. So 2, I will ignore this number because it's less than 4. We said 4 or less, we will ignore. So it's 4, it's less than 4. I will ignore this and I will write here 4.64. Let's write together. Here I will write 4. And 6. And number 3 will be as it is 4 because number 2 will not add anything for this number. In the decimal numbers, if you write 0 here for the next door, that means nothing. 0 at right with the decimal number means nothing. So I will skip writing 0 here as we said. Okay. Just I need you to remember this question. 52.1952. Here in this case, I need to make approximation to the nearest hundred. So I will look to number 9. Then look right here. This is number 5. You can find number 5 here. 5 will add 1 to this hundreds. When you add 1 here to this hundreds, it will be 10. I can't write 10 here in the 100th place, so I will write 0 in the 100th place, and I will make the 10th place 2. So the 19 will be 20. So the answer here will be 52. And 20. And as we said before, if you write 0 here, right to the decimal point means nothing, so I will not write the 0 here. And that this is the steps you have to follow when you're making to the nearest hundreds or the nearest thousands and so on. Okay? Okay, I hope you can understand what we finished, and I'm waiting for your homework. Thank you. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.